Hello guys, Standard 8, Chapter number 4, Metal and Non-Metal. So today we are going to solve the revision sheet of the Chapter 4, right? So here, first MCQ is mercury and gallium occur in a liquid state at or near room temperature. So it is true. Second, bromine is the only metal that exists as a liquid at room temperature. So it is false. Now question 3. Which of the following is the incorrect statement about metals? So A. Glitter or shiny surface is a property of most metals. B. Metals cannot be polished. C. Metals have an ability to shine and reflect light. D. Gold, silver, and platinum are used for making jewelry and other decorative articles. B. So right answer is here B. Metal cannot be polished because this is incorrect statement for the metal. Now fourth MCQ. Which of the following is not a malleable metal? So here is gold, silver, sodium and aluminium. So right answer is sodium because sodium is a metal, is not malleable. It cannot be of sodium. We cannot prepare. We cannot make a thin wire of it. Now question number 5. Which of the following is the incorrect statement above non-metals? So one is A. They are generally poor conductors of electricity. B. They are generally poor conductor of heat. This is also right. They are brittle and cannot be drawn into wires. D. They produce a sharp sound when struck with a hard metal. So this property last one, D, this property is incorrect for non-metal because this property is correct for metal, right? Now one example. So first one, soft metal. This for example it is sodium. Second, hardest substance, it is carbon. That means diamond is made up of carbon. Now third one, metal used for making jewelries. So it is gold and silver. Four, liquid metal at room temperature. So it is mercury. Now fifth, metals used for making wire. It is copper or aluminium. Write one word for the following. First one, the property by virtue of which metals can be beaten into thin sheets. This property is called as malleability. Second, compounds formed when a metal is replaced by hydrogen in an acid. So this compound is called as salt. Third one, the process of slow eating away of a metal due to the attack of atmospheric gases and moisture on its surface. It is corrosion. This process is called as corrosion. Fourth one, the property by virtue of which metal objects produce a ringing sound when struck with a hard object. This is sonority. Five, non-metallic oxides dissolve in water to form. So it forms acid, right? Now Phillips. 1. Almost all metals are solid at room temperature. Second, diamond is the hardest substance. Third one, the property by virtue of which metal can be drawn into thin wires is called ductility. Metals are used for making cooking utensils as they are good conductor of heat. Fifth one, the property by virtue of which metal objects produce a ringing sound when struck with a hard object is called as sonority. Now, true and false statements. If it is false, then correct it. First one, all non-metals are colorless. It is false. Few of the metals, some non-metals are colorless because some have color. Second, non-metals are brittle and can be beaten into sheets. So it is false. Non-metals cannot be beaten into sheets. Third one, sodium reacts with the nitrogen present in air to form sodium hydroxide. So it is also false. Sodium reacts with cold water to form sodium hydroxide. Fourth one, only a few metals react with solutions of strong bases to produce a compound of that metal and hydrogen gas. So it is true. Fifth one, a metal that is placed higher in a activity series is more reactive than those placed below. This is also true. Now guys, let's solve short answer questions. So first one, define the terms ductility, malleability and sonority. This is also given in the keywords of textbook. Just write it down from there. Then second question, define corrosion. So first write down the definition of corrosion and why do copper vessels turn green with the passage of time. So here copper objects when it's come in the contact with carbon dioxide and moisture present in atmosphere, it starts to turn into green, right? Because this is called as corrosion process. Here guys, short questions and long questions, no need to write in notebook. Just solve fill-ups, true false, MCQs in the revision sheet. No need to write in fair notebook. Now guys, long answer questions. So first one, describe the reaction of metal and non-metal with acid and base, right? So you can write the answers from here also, just solve out. And answer of this question is also given in the page number 72-73 in textbook. just write down the chemical process of metals with acid and base, because it produce hydrogen gas. Second, write chemical equations for the following. First one, carbon burns. So what happens when carbon burns in the presence of oxygen? It gives carbon dioxide. And when sulfur burns in the presence of oxygen, it forms sulfur dioxide. Question number 3. What happens when magnesium react with sulfuric acid? So chemical process is given here. When magnesium react with sulfuric acid, it forms magnesium sulfate and hydrogen gas will be released. When aluminium reacts with hydrochloric acid, that means ki HCl, it forms aluminium chloride AlCl3 and hydrogen gas will be released. Now see, okay, just only A and B were given over here. Okay guys, this was the revision sheet. Just learn short question and long question answers. No need to write in notebook. Okay guys, thank you. Have a nice day.